In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix activation failed in Excel with a quick and simple solution. When you open Excel and see an activation error, it usually means Excel can't confirm that your copy is properly licensed. This can happen for a few reasons, like a sign-in issue, a problem with your subscription, or a temporary glitch in the app. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a straightforward process to resolve it, step by step. First, open Excel as you normally would. If a document is already open, that's fine. If not, you can just open a blank workbook. Take a moment to look near the top of the window. If activation has failed, you might see a yellow or red bar that mentions activation, or a message that says you're using a product without a license. That's your confirmation that Excel is in a limited or unlicensed mode. Next, we're going to go to the Account area inside Excel. Look at the top left of the screen and click on File. This opens the Backstage view, which is where all the behind-the-scenes settings live. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Account or sometimes Office Account, depending on your version of Excel. This is where you can see your product information and activation status. On the Account page, look for any message that says Activation Required, Product Deactivated, or Subscription Expired. If you see a button that says Sign In, click that. A sign-in window will appear. Here, you need to sign in with the Microsoft account or work or school account that is associated with your Excel or Microsoft 365 subscription. Carefully enter your email and password, then confirm. Once you're signed in, give Excel a few moments to process. You should see the product information update. In many cases, the activation status will change to indicate that the product is now activated or that your subscription is active. If you still see an activation error, look for an option on the account page that says Change License or Troubleshoot or something similar. Click that and follow the on-screen prompts. Often, simply re-entering your account details or confirming your subscription is enough to fix the issue. When you're done, close Excel completely, then reopen it. Open a workbook and check that the warning bar or activation message is gone. If it is, you've successfully fixed the activation failed problem, and Excel should now work with all features unlocked.